Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ND filter 55mm is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in a photographer's arsenal, allowing you to take control of light and unlock creative possibilities like never before, especially when shooting in bright conditions or when you want to achieve specific motion blur effects that would otherwise be impossible without it, making it a game changer for both amateur and professional videographers and photographers alike. Number 5. KNF Concept 55mm Variable ND2-400 Lens Filter. Experience exceptional image quality with our filter, crafted from premium optical glass. It features 8 multi-layer coatings to significantly reduce reflections and glare. Take full control of your lighting with 1 to 9 stops of adjustable light reduction. Its 360-degree rotation allows for precise dimming in any situation. Enjoy a glare-free surface thanks to an advanced oxidized sandblasting process. This minimizes stray light and unwanted reflections for cleaner shots. Designed for convenience, it's ultra-slim at just 7.4mm thick. The CNC patterned edge provides enhanced grip for easy attachment and detachment. This filter is designed for all 55mm lenses. Please check your lens's thread size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. At maximum stops, a temporary cross-pattern effect may occur. This is a natural characteristic of adjustable ND filters with certain lenses and focal lengths. What we like. This filter offers excellent image quality with its premium optical glass and multi-layer coatings. Its slim design makes it easy to handle. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile ND filter for general photography, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter is very thin and does not cause vignetting on my wide-angle lens. It produces sharp images with no color cast, even at longer exposures. The multi-coating reduces reflections and makes cleaning easy. Number 4. NEEWER 55mm Filter Kit and Lens Accessories. Elevate your photography with this comprehensive 55mm filter kit. It includes essential filters like UV, CPL, FLD, and ND filters to enhance your shots in various lighting conditions. This kit also comes with vital accessories to protect and enhance your lens. You'll find a lens cap, lens hood, and convenient carry pouches to keep everything organized and safe. Designed to be compatible with specific Sony Alpha models featuring 55mm lenses, such as the DT18 to 55mm and DT55 to 200mm lenses. Ensure your camera's lens thread size is 0.55 mm before purchasing. The included UV filter minimizes haze, while the CPL filter effectively removes unwanted reflections. Additionally, the FLD filter enables beautiful shots even under fluorescent lighting. Control light exposure with the ND2, ND4, and ND8 neutral density filters. These allow for creative effects like motion blur or shooting in brighter conditions without overexposing your image. Keep your lens safe from dust, scratches, and accidental damage with the included lens cap and hood. The durable carry pouches ensure your filters and accessories are protected on the go. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit offering multiple filter types like UV, CPL, FLD, and ND. It also includes essential lens accessories. If you are a beginner or want a cost-effective all-in-one solution for various shooting conditions, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The filter is well made and provides excellent image quality. It effectively reduces light without affecting color balance. The slim design prevents vignetting on wide-angle lenses. Number 3. KNF Concept 55mm Variable ND Lens Filter. Experience exceptional image quality with our filter, crafted from premium optical glass. It features 18 multi-layer coatings to significantly reduce reflections and glare. Effortlessly control light in any situation with 1 to 9 stops of adjustable dimming. Its 360-degree rotation allows for precise adjustments to capture the perfect shot. Enjoy clear, crisp images thanks to the oxidized sandblasting process. This treatment prevents stray light and minimizes unwanted reflections on the surface. Designed for convenience, this filter is ultra-slim and features a CNC patterned edge for enhanced grip. It's easy to attach and detach, perfect for on-the-go photographers. This filter is designed for all 55mm lenses. Please check your lens thread size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Choose a filter from K&F Concept, the world's leading brand in lens filter sales. You can trust our quality and innovation. What we like. Boasting an impressive 18 multi-layer coatings, this filter delivers exceptional clarity and reduced glare. Its slim profile ensures ease of use. For photographers who prioritize the highest optical performance and a sleek design, this filter is a top contender. What people say. The filter is well made and feels solid in the hand. It effectively reduces light without introducing any color cast. The slim design prevents vignetting on wide-angle lenses. Number 2. K&F Concept 55mm VND and CPL 2-in-1 lens filter. Introducing a revolutionary filter that combines both ND and CPL capabilities. It allows you to control light for darker skies and eliminate unwanted reflections from surfaces like water and glass. Tired of the common X-cross issue with variable ND filters? Our cutting-edge technology ensures you get clear images, even on wide-angle lenses. Crafted from imported AGC optical glass with 28 layers of multi-coating, this filter offers exceptional clarity. It's waterproof and scratch-resistant, providing superior protection for your lens. The durable aluminum alloy frame features a CNC non-slip design for easy attachment and removal. Convenient marks on the frame let you precisely set your desired ND stops. This filter is designed for all 55mm lenses. Please ensure your lens thread size is correct before purchasing. A 62mm lens cap is required for this filter. Experience the quality from K&F Concept, the world's leading brand in lens filter sales. You can trust our commitment to excellence. What we like. This innovative filter combines ND and CPL functionalities, eliminating the common X-cross issue. It's also waterproof and scratch-resistant. If you want to simplify your gear and avoid common variable ND problems, especially on wide-angle lenses, this is the filter for you. What people say. This filter is great for reducing glare and reflections. The filter is made of high-quality glass and is very durable. It also helps to improve the color saturation of your photos. Number 1. Urth 55mm ND2-400 Variable ND Lens Filter. Introducing the Urth Variable ND2-400 Lens Filter. It's designed to help you achieve shallow depth of field, long exposures, and motion blur, even in changing light conditions. Perfect for nature and landscape photography. This filter features a min-max locking mechanism. This prevents over-rotation and eliminates the unwanted X effect, ensuring clean and consistent results every time. Experience superior clarity with its nano-coated Japanese AGC glass. You'll get exceptional light transmission and reduced flare for stunning HD images. The ultra-slim rim design is precisely engineered. It optimizes your camera's optics and prevents vignetting, so your shots look their best. Constructed from tough magnesium, this filter offers lasting resilience. It's built to withstand the demands of your photography, and it's backed for life. What we like. Featuring a locking rim to prevent over-rotation and the X effect, this filter uses high-quality Japanese AGC glass for HD clarity. If you need precise control over your exposure and want to ensure a clean image without the cross pattern, this filter is an excellent option for long exposures and motion blur. What people say. The filter is well constructed and provides excellent image quality. It effectively reduces light without introducing color cast. The slim design prevents vignetting on wide-angle lenses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.